I'm pulling this out. And woo! Y'all, this is what's in there. Oh my goodness. Gross. Here go the screw. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this out. If I can get it out. It feels greasy. I don't know why, but that's what it feels like. So I'm going to clean this out. And then y'all will have a microwave. Oh, it looks so nasty. Okay, so back to this microwave. My goodness, I'm dreading to clean it out. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean up the rest of the kitchen and then get back to the microwave after everything else is clean. So back to the cleaning video. Just talk about my ponytails real quick, y'all. I am like waking up this morning and I was just like, you know what? I need to be feeling young, okay? So I just put my little ponytails in. You know, my hair is just so dry, I love it. I just put my little ponytail in and I like it. So I might be doing this look a little bit more, okay? Because if you don't already know, you know what? I ain't gonna even tell you how old I am, but just know, okay? Okay? I just feel good today. I feel good today though, girl. I'm cute. Yeah, I already told y'all I got the microwave out of the storage. So what I just did was I just unscrewed the top of the screws out, and I'm going to clean it. I just unscrewed all the screws. Well, there's one more, but it ain't gonna, you know, that wasn't the one I need. That one. Okay, so I'm pulling this out. And woo! Y'all, this is what's in there. Oh my goodness. Gross. Here go the screw. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this out. If I can get it out. It feels greasy. I don't know why, but that's what it feels like. So I'm going to clean this out. And then y'all will have a microwave. Oh, it looks so nasty. We'll have our microwave back. We haven't had it in a year. Please, please. Please, please, please do not think that this microwave has been sitting in my house and I've been using it like that. It's been in storage and we just went to go get it and we haven't used it for a year. So now I'm going to be using it and it's filthy. And, you know, who knew that all that was up under there? I just seen like a little dirt and I was just like, what is that? Let me take it apart. So you might want to take yours apart and see what's in there for sure. Okay, let me wash everything out and I'll get back to cleaning. It feels so greasy. So, okay. So I sprayed this and I'm about to clean it. I just wanted y'all to see it because all of that is like greasy. After I already washed it off, I've already tried to scrub it with the rag. So I'm going to use a Brillo pad and then I'm going to scrub it again. And all of it's like greasy. All of it. All of it is greasy. Alright. But as you can see, hold on. I've already cleaned this with the Brillo pad. And y'all seen it before. So, yeah. that Brillo pad definitely did its job. And I'm not going to use it right away. I'm going to actually let it sit and let it dry before I put it back up. Washing it with the Brillo pad really definitely helped out. It is a lot cleaner. And the microwave is a lot cleaner also with the Brillo pad. With the Brillo pad, you guys. And then this right here is just like the color of it, but it's clean. And now I'm going to clean out this microwave because it is still nasty. It's, you know, any microwave would be that's been sitting, you know. Guys, so much for watching my video. I would have showed you the sweeping and mopping, but of course my camera footage is almost full, so I didn't get there. Thank you so much again for watching my video.